Hey guys, it's Barb. Thank you for watching. So I'm very excited for today's video because today I'm gonna try a couple of products of this makeup brand called CAIA Cosmetics. I don't know if you've heard of this brand before. It's a Swedish brand, I think. I hadn't heard of this brand before, to be honest, but the past few months it's all over my Instagram, and to be honest, I'm quite impressed with their products, so I really wanted to try them, and especially with their foundation. So I have here these three products. This is the foundation, this is the concealer, and this is a lip gloss, I think. So these are the three products that we're gonna try today together. Also guys, before we start with foundation, let's take a moment to appreciate this very beautiful packaging. I also like this baby pink. This specific one, like this metallic silver whatever, I really like it. They've done a really they've done a really good work here. Every time before I do my makeup, I always do my skincare routine first, so I can prepare my skin for the foundation. So let's see the foundation. Ooh, we still have this silver thing here, which I like it, and it looks like this. The packaging reminds me a lot of the Fenty Beauty S Drop foundation, and to be honest, that Fenty Beauty foundation is one of my favorites, so if this one is as good as the Fenty Beauty, I will definitely add it on the list with my favorite products. It looks very lightweight and I really like that. Oh guys, it looks so good already. It has this very lightweight coverage, but it looks so nice on the skin. Okay, let's add a little bit more so we can see if we can have more coverage. Because with some foundations, even though they're lightweight, you can still add more product and have a little bit more coverage. So let's see if we can have that. You can still see the texture and the pores and everything, which I personally don't mind. This is something that I always go for when I do my makeup. But I don't know, maybe if you are a full coverage kind of girl, maybe this foundation won't give you this full coverage. It reminds me a lot of this Fenty Beauty S Drop foundation, like I said. So if you like this foundation, you will definitely love this one. Okay guys, so here we have the foundation. This is how it looks on the skin. I personally really like it. I think it looks really good. It doesn't make your skin look cakey, and I personally love that. Also forgot to tell you that I used the Say 3W in case you want to find your color. Okay, so now let's move on to the concealer. Oh, guys, it looks very expensive. Look how beautiful it looks. So in this one, I have the Say 2N. I really like the applicator. It's very thick. I always go for this much, and maybe I do a little bit around my nose, or a lot. So again, for the concealer, I don't want to have a very heavy under eye. I want to, you know, be able to cover the dark circles or the imperfections in general, but I don't want to have anything heavy. So the concealer so far, I would say that it gives you a lot of coverage. The only thing I will say is that if you are like me and you don't want a very heavy under eye, maybe don't add a lot of product. So for my full coverage girls, this concealer is definitely for you. Okay, so I came a little bit closer so maybe you can see better the foundation and the concealer. Okay, so now we'll do the rest of my face with the makeup that I already had, and at the end we will try the lip gloss together. So guys, I believe that makeup is very personal and it depends on how you want your makeup to look like at the end. There's no right or wrong. Okay guys, I think I broke my eyebrow pencil. Okay guys, so for the concealer, I would say that I don't love it as much as the foundation, because as it sits, it gets even heavier and it's kind of dry, I would say, and it's not the vibe that I go for when I do my makeup. Okay, so now we will try the lip gloss. Let's see the color together so I can decide the color of the lip liner. This one also looks very expensive. I really like it. So we have the color Golden Gloss. We have a really good thick applicator. Okay, so the color is this one. Okay, lip liner is done, and now we're gonna try the lip gloss. I love the sound. It doesn't give you that much color, I would say, but it has that shimmer, and I really like it. It's not sticky at all, also. It feels really good on the lips. I would definitely buy this one again. Okay guys, so here we have the final result. Okay guys, just to sum up, I would say that CAIA Cosmetics is a really good makeup brand. I would definitely try more products of her. So here we have the foundation, the lip gloss and the concealer. So the foundation is a yay for me. I really like how it looks. It gives a very natural and very lightweight coverage. The concealer is not really my favorite. It's an A for me because I don't really like how it sits on my face. And the lip gloss, it's a yay again. I really like the color, the texture, how it feels on the lips. It doesn't dry your lips. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna leave this video here. Thank you so much for watching if you come this far. I really like this video, so write me in the comments below if you want me to create more videos like this, maybe with this brand, or if you want me to try another brand. I would love to do that. So I'm gonna leave this video here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. You can also follow me on other platforms. Here's my Instagram and my TikTok. And I will hopefully see you to my next video. Bye guys.